I'm just killing the big ones today. Oh well. That's the way it goes sometimes. Suburban fishing. Hey y'all, just out having a good day doing some suburban fishing. Fishing a little bayou channel here. I'll turn the camera and stuff in a second and show you what I got. I ain't caught nothing but small stuff. I'm having a great time. I'll show you some pictures here in a minute. Here's a little body of water I'm fishing in. Yep, it's Suburban. Something again. Oh heck, I'm gonna try it. Look at this booger. If I can catch perch like that, I'll catch perch all day long. I wish I had a tape measure, but from the tip of my middle finger back to a little past my hand, right now, well, it's going back to my bracelet, which is about 10 inches. That's a big Texas cichlid. Get that 164 ounce trout magnet, the red honeyworm. I love catching these things, especially on this light tackle. You never know what you may get. Mr. Bass. Long and lean. Took that thing. I can get it out. Should have measuring tape on this rod. But he is decent bass, however you look at it. Fun bass to catch. Good thing about these waters, you never know what you might get. I've been using the trout magnet with the honeyworm on it. Try out this. Got these the other day. It's this trout slayer. A little bit longer shank hooks. They're still the same size. I don't know what color this is. It looks like it ought to be called Mardi Gras or something. I'll put a little Procure on there and see if it does anything. Never used this stuff before. Give it a go. All right. Largemouth bass. Got it on that little, what's it called? Trout slayer. Let me see how long this is. I did have a Kate. Crappy one. You know, not a fishing one. Yeah, you couldn't squeeze much more. 12 and a half out of him. Other, I think, was a little bit bigger, but you know how that goes. I'm glad to catch him now. Glad to see that thing works. Because I hadn't caught, even had a bite on the other one, the Mardi Gras colored one. Well, I guess that's about it for the day. Yeah, you see the sun back there. Here we go. Got a couple of fun bass. One was about 12 and a half inches. The other one I think was a little bit bigger, but I forgot I had that little tape measure in my tackle bag. Caught a real nice Rio Grande cichlid. Rio Grande perch. It's a Texas cichlid. I always get that wrong. I hadn't been making the fishing videos till just a couple weeks ago, so I know they're pretty rough. I don't have a chest mount camera. I'm just trying to do everything on my phone, and it's kind of hard to hold that thing and fish, but hopefully it'll get better when I get one. Hope you enjoyed it a little bit, and you can catch the fish even if you're suburban fishing. sight last.